Yes, marhaba. Now let's learn how to say how are you all. Okay, ka, I, fa, ha, lu, kum. Kaifa halukum. Okay. So from today onwards, we have to introduce like this. Okay, come on. Now in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to say I have, he has, and she has. Come on. First of all, what is I have in Arabic? In Arabic, rindi. Come on, spell with me. Ri, rin, rindi. Okay. Next, he has. How to say he has in Arabic? Come on. Rindahu. Spell with me. Ri. N. Rin. Da. Hu. Rindahu. Very good. Now she has. How to say she has in Arabic? Rindaha. Come on, spell. Ri. N. Rin. Da. Ha, indaha. Very good. One more time. I have means indi, he has means indahu, and she has means indaha. Very good. Now let's frame sentences and learn how to write also. Come on, let's start. Yes, I have jumped on my tab. Come on, let's read the sentence. What is the sentence? I have long hair and my brother's head is small. Okay, for to this sentence, we have to translate it in English. Come on, let's start. What is I have? I have means rindi, right? Just now we learned rindi. Come on, how to write rindi? So always the starting letter should be small shape, right? This is the small shape of Ain. Very good. N, rin, noon, a line with dot, rin, and then d, rind, e, indi. Because dal is a naughty letter, that's why it's not connecting with ya, right? Come on, read it. Rindi. Very good. Rindi. Next, long hair. First of all, we have to translate the hair and then the adjective long. Okay, come on, translate hair. What is hair in Arabic? Yes, shar. Come on, what is the small shape of sh? A W head with three dots. Yes, this is the sh. Shar. Ain. What is the small shape of ain? So ain have two shapes, right? So this is the second shape. Ain shar. Shar. Very good. Shar means head. Now translate long. What is the adjective long in Arabic? It's tawil, right? Yes. How to write tawil? Come on. Ta. Ta have the same shape, right? The small and the big shape are the same. Ta and then v. The naughty letter v. That's why we are not connecting the next letter. Ya. Tawil. See, no connection between vav and ya. Tawil. And then lam. Last letter should be a complete shape. Yes. Tawil. Very good. And what is and in Arabic? Wow. Very good. Next, my brother's head. So in Arabic, first we have to translate head. Okay, what is head in Arabic? Come on. Yes, head means ras. Come on, write ra. Ra, not letter ra. A. Ra. Su. Seen. Seen is the last letter, so we are writing a complete shape and then dhamma. Ra. Su. Very good. My brother. What is my brother in Arabic? Akhi, right? Akhi. Kha. Ya. Khi. Akhi. Ra'su akhi. There is no translation for is in Arabic, okay? Now translate small. What is small in Arabic? Saghir, right? Come on, let's write. Sod, small shape, sod. And then gha, small shape of ghain. And then ya, small shape of ya. So r is the last letter. So let's write the complete shape. R. Saghir. That's it. Come on, read. Rindi. شعر طويل ورأس أخي صغير. Very good. Now the next sentence is I have big mouth and my sister's nose is short. Okay, come on, let's translate what is I have. Very good. Rindi. Come on, right? Ri. N. In the big mouth. First translate the mouth. What is mouth? Fa and then m. Fa m. What is big? Kabir. Right? Come on, let's write ka b e r. Kabir. Very good. And means wow. Wow. My sister's nose. Okay, first translate the nose. What is nose? A n an fu anfu. My sister. What is my sister? Ukhti. Okay, u kh ukhti ukhti. Very good, ukhti. Yes, short. So I said there is no translation for is, right? So short. What is short? Qa. What is the first? Qa. Circle head with two dots. Qa. And then si. Sod. And then ya. Sir. Qasir. Very good. So come on, read. Rindi. Fammun kabirun va. Anfu ukhti. Qasir. Very good. Next one. Come on. I have small ear and she has a beautiful face. Okay, come on. Let's translate. What is I have? Rindi, right? Rin. Rin. Rindi. Rindi. Small ear. First translate ear. What is ear? Uzunun. Uzunun. Small. What is small in Arabic? Saghir, right? Come on, right? Saw and then g. Small shape of g. And then ya. Saghir. Saghir. And means wow. Very good. Next, she has. How to say she has? We learned how to say she has, right? What is that? Indaha. Come on, right? Ri. Ain. N. In the. In the. Ha. Alif. Fataha. Indaha. Very good. Indaha. Next, beautiful face. First translate the face. What is face? Waj. Waj. So waw is not related. That's why we are not connecting the waw and jim. Okay. Waj. Who. Waj. Who. And then beautiful. What is beautiful? Jamil. Ja. Circle head. M. And then a line with dot. Yeah. Jamil. Lun. Jamilun. Full stop. Come on. Read. Rindi. أذن صغير وعندها وجه جميل. Very good. Next sentence. I have small ear and he has strong hair. Okay, come on, let's translate. What is I have? Rindi. Okay, come on, let's write. Rin. Rin. D. E. Rindi. Small ear. First translate ear. What is ear? Uzunun. Very good. Uzunun. Very good. Small. What is small? Saghir. Right? Come on, Saghir. Sa. Ghi. Yi. R. Saghir. Very good. And wow. He has. What is he has in Arabic? Just now we learned what is he has. In. In. The who, right? In the who. Strong hair. First translate hair. What is hair? Shar. Come on, write. A R. Shar. Strong. V U. Viyun. Okay. Come on, now let's read. عندي أذن صغير وعنده شعر قوي. Let's go to the last one. Come on, I have big head and my brother has strong body. Okay, now you have to translate. Tell me what is I have. Indi, right? Come on, what is indi? How to write? In. In. D. E. Indi. Very good. Big head. First translate the head. What is head? Ra. S. Ras. Big. What is big? Kabir. Ka. B. E. R. Kabir. Very good. And means wow. My brother. What is my brother? Akhi, right? Very good, right? Akhi, akhi. Very good, akhi. Next, has. That means he has. So how to write he has? In. In the who. Very good. Strong body. First translate the body. What is body? Jism, right? G. S. M. Jism. Strong. What is strong? Qawiyun. Very good. Come on, let's read it. عندي رأس كبير وأخي عنده جسم قوي. Very good. I hope so you all understand. Bye bye. مع السلامة. Oof.